We can put Urdu
no
VOA.
tag on the back.
Urdu VOA. We can tag it there. Extra promotion. Now let me take
So Eric, are you ready for the big game?
I'm ready, but clearly not anywhere near as prepared as my colleagues who forgot a certain someone when ordering their Pakistan World Cup tickets. I wouldn't overlook that.
So Chief, how are you gonna cope with this like India-Pakistan conflict within the service in this big game?
As chief, I'm the diplomat, and there are no winners and there are no losers. They're just good competitors.
Cool.
So I'm just hoping for a very well played game tomorrow.
Yeah.
And
I
Deepak,
believe
where's your
And if
T-shirt?
Pakistan wins,
Yeah.
Here goes your
Okay, again, I missed it.
Nice diplomacy.
so much for the chief diplomacy.
If we are going to get good food, I'll root for Pakistan.
Are you sure?
that does not go on
Indians might be
Facebook.
watching this.
It always comes back to
Anything for
lunch.
celebration.
It
Yeah,
always
anything
comes
for good
back to
biryani.
lunch.
Yeah.
family. Deepak got family, so make sure you know the most of it.
Yeah, exactly.
Deepak is wearing Pakistani jersey tomorrow. No matter if Pakistan loses or India loses.
I would have.
Yeah,
One
you
minute.
can.
You're an
Yeah.
honorary Pakistan.
All right.
Pakistan.
Yeah, Team
All
Pakistan.
So that should be our sign, like this.
Team Pakistan.
Brags
Oh,
about
there's
it,
this.
though.
Yes.
Just a feeling.
Yeah, like this.
All right.
Team
I
Pakistan.
like this. I like this.
Pakistan.
I'm so
Yay!
ridiculous.
Good job.
That's definitely going on my personal Facebook. But I'm not.
That's awesome.